Yeah, this is Peter, and a big hello to you all. This is really a privilege for me to tell you about the Scratch and Advanced Excel. Learn the most advanced formulas, functions, and types of financial analysis to be an Excel power user. This Advanced Excel training course is designed specifically for spreadsheet users who are already proficient and looking to take their skills to an advanced level. This course will help you become a world-class financial analyst for careers in investment banking, private equity, corporate development, equity research, and FP&A. Why advance Excel? Enhance your knowledge and management skills. Develop data management skills. Learn how to organize, visualize, and automate data using charts, tables, and pivot tables. People from flowing domain. Profession. And industries can go for this course. Career benefits, of course. Increased value to employers. Mastery of Excel will make you more efficient. Develop your analytics and visualization skills. What is the process to appear in the examination of accredited body? Once you complete the course, you will be awarded Certificate of Completion. And to get the Certificate of Excellence, you will have to go through an online test conducted by Mindcypress.